Hello and welcome to A Byte of Tech Flash Tip Friday with the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. In this Flash Tip Friday video, we're going to look at Gmail quick settings. Does it feel like email consumes your life or too much of your time? The settings in Gmail can save you time. We're going to take a look at a few tips to better manage and organize your Gmail. The Gmail quick settings is where you will find a variety of settings that will control what your inbox looks like. So let's get started. To get started with your Gmail quick settings, you're going to click on the setting icon or the cogwheel on the upper right of the toolbar. Here you have access to quick settings. You can choose to have the Google Meet and Google Chat icons appear in your reading pane for easy access. The default setting for density shows emails along with their attachment icons. Theme allows you to customize the look of your Gmail by choosing a color, background scheme, or uploading a picture. Inbox type are default, which can be customized. Important emails, unread emails, or starred emails read first. You can create a priority inbox, which can be customized. You can have multiple inboxes and customize those. You can choose where you want your reading pane to appear in your inbox. You can have no split, you can have it appear on the right of the inbox or below the inbox. Email threading conversation view allows you to group emails of the same topic together. You can try various settings to see which options work best for you. This is Gmail Quick Settings. Thank you for watching. Please join us next week for another Flash Tip Friday. And also please subscribe to our Byte of Tech YouTube channel for more helpful videos.